Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very stylish, trendy, beautiful branded heel sandals, new designs and new collection. Pipto style slingback design with block chunky heel is one of the best design for this summer 2020. Flip flop slingback design mid block chunky heel design is best for office wear. Double strap slingback design with thick block chunky heel is also best design. Two-tone sandals design is hot favorite design nowadays. Girls and ladies love to wear such type of beautiful sandals. Here I am sharing very beautiful trending collection of all those heeled sandals which are in a fashion, and these are very popular designs with breathable styles. Peep toe style anklet strip with long block chunky heel is also best design for this year. Please watch the video till end without skipping so that you can go through all the designs. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for getting notifications of new uploads. Friends, if you like these designs, please thumbs up means to say hit the like button, and you can also share this collection with your friends and family members on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. The colors of these sandals are very bright and attractive, eye-catching, beautiful colors and stunning designs of beautiful branded heeled sandals you are watching here with beautiful designs. I am sure you will also find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice and taste. And if you want to and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order and do online shopping, as this is the need of time too that all the people prefer to do online shopping, so these pairs are available online. These designs are also available in markets all over the world very easily because these are in a fashion. I am sure that you will admire this collection too like previous videos. Here you will find one of the stunning collection of different beautiful newly launched heeled sandals which are best for casual wear and office wear. In this collection you will see all different types of those heels designs which are very practical, comfortable, stylish and popular all over the world among ladies. Here I am sharing one of the most demanding, very stylish, beautiful, soft sorts of summer heeled sandals with you people. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of beautiful, stylish, updated collections of new arrivals of footwears and dress designing. And if you want to ask something regarding this collection or want to suggest that what you want to see more in my channel, then you can use comment section for this purpose. This is the only way you can use to connect with me and show your presence there. I always appreciate your comments and try my level best to reply. Some of the platform soles and wedge style sandals you can keep for your casual wear activities, and otherwise all those chunky styles of heels you can keep for your formal occasions. One of the best collection for party wear, formal wear and office wear. Super comfortable collection you are watching here with eye-catching color. This is bestseller collection because ladies love to wear such type of beautiful heels designs. Although this is one of the collection which is fit for all age group ladies, these designs are popular all over the world among ladies. See different types of very attractive colors and blend of different colors you are watching here in this video, and this is one of the stunning and best collection. Sling bag, zipper bag, back open styles of these sandals with chunky styles of heels, platform soles, wedge styles, block heels, trending going on nowadays. Now sandals are designed with double, triple or multi strips. Two-tone sandals are also hot favorite designs of footwears like color contrast in dresses. Designers are trying to introduce best color combination in footwears also. Lace-up sandals is also in a fashion nowadays. Printed heels look so stylish and elegant. All types of different straps like thin, medium, wide, printed and transparent strips are used to design such type of formal heels footwears. Double strip and double sole sandals is also hot favorite designs. Nowadays, every brand trying to design their footwears with different types of accessories like pearls, beads, stones and flowers, and these are most favorite designs. Clip toe double strip back open sandal with low block chunky heel is best designed for casual wear. Double strip slingback design two-tone sandals look so stylish and elegant. Thin strips are also used to design such type of beautiful heeled sandals. In all brands, animal printed designs is also introduced. Snake skin, tiger and leopard print look so stylish and elegant. Floral printed sandals is also hot favorite designs of footwears. The best feature of brown and black footwears is that it is best perfect fit with all outfits. See different eye-catching colors and comfortable styles are perfect for your lifestyle, especially for young ladies. Low heel designs are best for casual wear and long heels are best for formal occasions. I hope you can feel the comfortability and softness of these leather sandals too. These designs are walk friendly and foot friendly. Different age group ladies find attraction in such types of designs. In this collection you will find round toe, pointed toe, square toe and peep toes, all best designs. Nowadays pointed and square toes are also very popular besides round toe. With the help of these collections, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which type of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular. And when you see the style and comfortability blend, this is one of the best collection for yourself. Style, comfortability, practicality, all these features you will find here in this collection with different sorts of footwears. Such types of sandals are best for creating unique type of styles in your personalities. Peep toe style slingback design in brown color is best perfect design for office wear. Black color is also best for all age group ladies. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of very beautiful, informative and stylish type of those collections which are in fashion and trending going on nowadays. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. If you want to see more branded collections, then visit my channel, click on video or playlist section. You will find all the branded sandals and dresses new collection very easily. Please like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.